Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to change the color for your hair all at once. I'll also be showing you guys how to change the extension color so it can match the color of your hair. And the third thing I'll be showing you guys too in this video is how to crop out your extension and use it for another body. So the first thing you want to do is use the select by color tool. Make sure your setting is set to what I have here. Multi-select and threshold at 0. After you have that set, you can start by selecting every single shade that's on your hair. Right click and then hover over colors and then colorize. Click on the color box and then you can start trying out different colors on the color gradient. Once you're done picking the color that you would like to use, you can then click OK and then OK again. If you would like to change the color for your eyes as well, you can do the same. But instead, you select the colors within your eyes. There's actually a preset feature that allows you to use your previous colors. You can click on that instead of choosing your colors again if you want the same color change. And also, if you don't like what you have, you can always go back in your edit history and then colorize it again. So the next thing we are going to do is to change the extension color so it could match our hair colors. Use the select by color tool and change the setting to single select. Select the darkest shade on your hair extension and then go to your head and also select the darkest shade of hair color from there. Use the color picker tool and pick that color. Go back to your hair extension and bucket fill the selection with that color. Make sure your setting is fill whole selection and image mode at RGB. So basically the concept here is to fill the darkest shade of hair extension with the darkest shade of hair from your head, and then the second with the second darkest, and then third with third until you're finished with your whole extension. Okay, now I want to move the hair extension to this new body I found online. So I'm going to use the select by color tool again, and I'm going to change the setting to multi-select again. I'm going to select every single color on the hair extension. You can right click and then click copy or just Ctrl+C on your keyboard to shortcut it. Go to your body, right click and then paste it in place. The next thing you can do is index the body if you want it to be color changeable in the game. I have attached the video here if you want to learn how to index a body. So what I'm doing now is exporting the files so it could be saved to my device. And then you can also do the same thing for your head as well. Go to all-in-one custom viewer to see how your edit will look like before you upload it. You can make the viewer bigger by zooming the web page in. This is how the custom edit at first look on this website. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you would like to see more contents like this. Thank you.